I did the cozy packs, the movie cozy packs, just like this, and I attached the candle with the bubble wrap outside of the bag, and people loved it. I put a bow around it, and people just really adored it. They were able to check out which candle went to each bag and decide what they wanted, so they really enjoyed having the candle outside of the bag. I'm just doing this to kind of make it look a little neater, and I think that's going to work out just fine. So I just started doing this. I have 50 candles I have to do, and this is how far I got so far today. And then the next thing I have are, I think I told you guys that I've been waiting on my fuzzy socks, that I replaced the other ones that I had, the Christmas ones, with these embroidered fuzzy socks. And look how cute they are, guys. They are so stinking adorable. You get 5 different pairs per pack or whatever. I ordered so many socks, guys. I'm gonna have Christmas socks till for the next couple of years, I think, because I ordered one batch, and I ordered 6 orders of 5 packs, and to do my cozy movie cozy packs, and they were taking forever to ship out, so I ordered them locally, another batch, and surprisingly I got both sets in the same day. So go figure. The ones that were not local took over 2 weeks to come to me, so keep that in mind when you're ordering from Temu right now. Some stuff is taking up to 2 weeks to get to you. But what do you guys think of this? I think these are so adorable. They're embroidered Christmas socks. I really like these much better than the other ones, the ones that look like they came from the dollar store, except for they were cheaper than the dollar store. And then I found these, and these were on Black Friday sale, and I was able to get, like I said, 5 pairs to a set, and I figured out the price, and I'll insert what the cost breakdown was on these, but I want to say they were like 85 cents a pair. And look how stinking cute they are, guys. I think they're so adorable. Yeah, so got a bunch. I got these all ready for my cozy packs. I went ahead and wrapped these with the silver foil ribbon so that this way they don't come apart when I put them in the cozy packs, the movie cozy packs. So I have quite a bit of those already made up. And then I have these here that came as well today, and these are packs of 5 here. And so what I'm going to do with these, I think, are not roll them, but put them in a, in a bag with maybe a candy cane and a pack of hot chocolate. I haven't decided. I'm just trying to switch it up a little bit. And then I also got these today, guys. These are the little stockings that I did, the little stocking cocoa pack stuffers. And then I had the pine, the flocked pine, and the candy cane spoon, and I had Werther's, the gingerbread Werther's in there with the peppermints. But I think these ones here I'm going to do. I got 24 of these. I think I'm going to make it a lot simpler. I'm just going to do a candy cane and maybe a pack of hot chocolate, and that's it. So what do you think of that idea? You think that's a good idea? Just to keep it simple, I could charge less money in case people just want to do, a stocking stuffer for like $2 or $3. It's a lot more economical to do it that way. And then what else? I do have 2 of these left over. These are the Dollar Tree candy canes. And I told you guys, look how small they are. I did end up using them in my with my Christmas mugs. I put them in with the Santa ornament, and that turned out pretty cute. But I still have 2 of those left over, the tiny ones. And then I ordered these here, the Brocs. I ended up ordering 3 packs of those. So like I said, I could stick like a candy cane, a hot chocolate pack maybe in here, and just call it a day, and then sell it for like $2 or $3, I think that would be a good idea because I got 24 stockings. So I'm just trying to keep ahead of the game here. So how are you guys doing on your craft projects? Are you guys still working on your craft projects for the holidays, or are you pretty much done and all good to go? I'm kind of just trying to get as much made up as I can. And if they don't sell, they don't sell. I'll just sit on them till next year, you know, no big deal. But I really like these socks. Don't you think they're so adorable? I did. I thought they were pretty stinking cute. And like I said, I have all of these made up. I'm going to make up my movie cozy packs tonight. I still have to make the back and front with the printed material on it. But that I can do tomorrow. I was going to ask hubby to help me do some of that today, but he was so super busy at work that I didn't want to bother him. So it'll wait. It could wait another day. And like I said, these candles, I decided to use the little boxes that came with the advent calendar, and then I'm just going to maybe put that number, tape it to the or secure it to the plastic tote bag and make sure that that's kind of like on, you know, on the inside so you can't see it, and then maybe put like a Christmas sticker here or something. What do you guys think of that idea? And what else am I working on? Got all my bags. I wanted to see, you know, if I was to do the socks, what bag size I would need. Let me show you. I bought the multi-pack on Amazon, and I think this one would be a good size with that. And then, you know, with a candy cane, maybe secure the candy cane to the hot cocoa pack, and then maybe just put some cinnamon candies on the bottom or something. What do you guys think of that idea? Just kind of keep it low, you know, not expensive. So if people just want to grab and go and have a stocking stuffer or a favor, you know, or a gift to bring to work, you know, for a grab bag gift or whatever. I just think these are super cute. I did think these were going to be a little bit more furry because they did say that they were the furry socks, but I think they're pretty good. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys think about the socks that I switched it up to versus having the ones that I had the last video, which were cute, but you can tell they were kind of low end. And I was trying to find something a little bit better, you know, high end. And I thought, you know, everybody likes a nice embroidered item. So these are really perfect. And considering how cheap they were, like I said, I think I paid like 86 cents maybe a pair. You just can't beat it, you know. I really like the Christmas tree ones and the snowman. Look at the snowman, guys. All right, and then the last thing I'm working on, which I told you guys in my last video, I haven't finished it yet, are the dog biscuit, the milk bones. I just used scrapbook paper in there, and then I use the sealable bags where you just pull the tape off and seal the bags. And then I have these little things I made up from the scrapbook, and I cut them into little sections or whatever, and I'm just going to staple those on top of the bag. And then I'm going to go on Canva and I'm going to make something with a bone, a dog bone, you know, saying Mary Paulmus or something on here. I thought that would be cute. And then maybe try and utilize these here because they came with the scrapbook kit that I bought as well. So that's what I got going on today. Trying to keep busy and, you know, make sure I have enough inventory because when it runs out, you know, it's like you get these big bare spots and I'm like, oh my gosh, I don't have anything to fill it. So I want to make sure I have plenty of stuff to fill on my craft table. So all right guys, well that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. You can hit the hype button if you care to. It's just an easy way for you guys to help out small creators at YouTube gives us points for those, and then it gets pushed out into the into the YouTube algorithm once you earn so many points. And leave a comment down below. Let us know what you liked or didn't like with my video today. And if you have nothing to say, just leave me a Christmas emoji. We love emojis here if you haven't noticed. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. And as always, stay blessed.